Friends, today we are going to do some great experiment with the iPhone. We took the iPhone 30 Pro to do the first experiment. I put the iPhone in a bowl and started pouring a lot of soda inside it. Then with the addition of some water, the soda and water began to react. After a while, I pick up the iPhone from the bowl, but the iPhone is still active. The display of iPhone is also working very nicely. Friends, we took the iPhone X from the next experiment. Can you imagine the condition of iPhone X inside the shutter blade? As soon as the machine is turned on, a foot of the iPhone is completely broken. After a while, smoke started coming out from the iPhone. The inside of the iPhone caught fire and the iPhone was completely destroyed. What if horrible is a friend left the tablet on top of the shutter blades in this experiment. The condition of the tablet inside the shutter blades become very bad. This time the shutter blade tablet is cut into pieces. To do this experiment, we took the iPhone 30 and we will test it with shutter blade. At first, the smoke started coming out from the inside the iPhone. The last but not least, the inside of the iPhone 30 caught fire. Friends, we will experiment with the iPhone 12 Pro with the laser. As soon as the laser catches on the paper catches fire. This time we held the laser tag on the display of the iPhone. Slowly the display went off. We tried many times to turn on the iPhone but failed. In this experiment, we will lower in iPhone 30 Pro 777 feet of water. Let's see what happened to the iPhone. Slowly lower the iPhone to the bottom of the deep sea. After lifting the phone over the water so that the company camera was broken, water entered the iPhone is a cover boot camera and destroyed charger point. What will happen to the iPhone is a friend drop an iPhone from the top of a 10-story building. Incredibly, the iPhone is still in motion, but the side of the iPhone is broken. Friends, iPhone will be able to survive in front of us this gun.
3, 2, 1.
Friends, there is a hole in the middle of the iPhone.